All right, let's get started. So I just added this awesome video to my timeline, and I want to add some text reveal to make it even cooler. Here's what you gotta do. Select the text tool and click anywhere on the preview to type your text. Now, for the next step, head over to Window Essential Graphics. This is where the magic happens. You can style your text to your heart's content, but remember, if you want to change the text size, you gotta highlight the text in the preview first. That's the trick. Now for our title reveal, we need to make sure our text disappears at first. To do that, grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle around your text. Then, under the Effect Control panel, click on Shape and scroll down to Transformation and check the Mask with Shape option at the bottom. Cool, right? This feature is brand new in the 2023 version, so if you're using an older one, you won't find it there. Next, let's head to the Effect Controls and open up our text settings. Scroll down to the Transform settings. Here's where the real fun starts. We'll be focusing on the second position value, which controls the vertical movement of our text. Drag that value to the side until your text is hidden, and then click the stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe for the animation. Now comes the exciting part. Animating the reveal. Reposition the playhead a bit later on and drag that position value the other way to unveil your text. Easy peasy. This action automatically creates that second keyframe we need. Give it a play and voila! Your text will be revealed with style. Oh, and if you want to adjust the speed of the reveal, just drag the second keyframe closer or further from the first one. It's that simple. If you're having a hard time seeing your keyframes, you can trim the text clip to zoom in on them, but don't cut off too much, or you'll lose them. And guess what? To make the animation smoother, just select both keyframes. Right-click on one of them and hover over temporal interpolation. There are a few options, but I usually go with ease in. It's simple and looks good. There you have it! A professional-looking text reveal. I hope you found this helpful and learned something new. Thanks for watching and catch you next time with more cool tips and tricks.